Hey, didn't see you there. Yeah. You like it when I grab your neck like that?
Popular UK rapper and YouTuber Young Philly has been arrested on rape.
Chill. But enough of that. Let's get to what you guys came here for, which is the budget items for new starting YouTubers. Or people who are starting to make videos and film and stuff. So, yeah, because we live in our mom's attic. No? Just me? Alright, when you start your YouTube journey and start making filming videos and stuff, you're probably going to be recording on your phone, which makes a thing like a tripod a game changer. Now, disclaimer, before I list any of these products and tell you guys about them and why they're good, you do not need any of these things to start. The most important thing is just starting, okay? I didn't have any of these things when I started, but now I do. So yeah, if you have the money, hey, invest in some of these stuff. But back to the video, the camera stand you're gonna want to pick up is called something I put up on screen right now. But that's what I'm using to hold this. I'll show you all. Give me a second. Looks like this. It's pretty tall. I'll show you guys that in a second. It's like a little shorter than me. Yeah, I'm like 5'10". So this is probably like 5'9", 5'8", something like that. But yeah, this thing's super convenient because you can use it to change angles and stuff. You extend it like this. Like that. Boom, there's Danny. And of course, I'll link all these stuff in the description and stuff. It's not like an affiliate link. I don't even know how to do that. It's just a link, okay? So if you want to pick these stuff up, go get that. At least right now, after making this video, it's around 20 bucks. Nothing that will break the bank, but it's pretty good quality for what you get. And I love it. It's good. It works for me. But you're also going to want to get it for a different reason. But the reason you want to get this one, or maybe another one, but just this one, is because it's compatible with holding 2 other items on this list, with one of those items being the lighting. Now, this bad boy right here is absolutely fucking goated. And I'm gonna let y'all know a secret real quick. When you're making videos and you start like thinking about the quality of your videos, you're gonna get to a point where you realize, wow, my lighting's pretty dog shit. Now I kinda wanna improve that. How do I improve that? And you start doing some research and you start looking at budget lights and stuff. And you're like, oh my god, Elgato key light. What do I look like, Richie Rich? Donald Davenport? Like, no, bro, we cannot afford these key lights. Nah. So, what do you sell for? You settle for this one. It's called the Raldino LED video light. Man, it will be in the description, bro. But at the time of making this video, it's around 40 bucks, which is, I know it's like, oh my god, 40 bucks, that's like almost Space Marine level prices of money. But chill, it's probably one of the best bang for your buck things that's on this list. And to show you all not capping, look at this thing, alright? I have it on the same camera stand I use for hold my phone, also for this as well. So that's why you should get the camera stand, First of all, boom! Wow! Brightness, I have like max brightness, but you can look right here, it's a battery thing, you can change the, I was picking it up, brightness, the tone of it, color of it. So look, like boom, we're in Night City, boom, we're in Mexico. And you can also change the brightness on it, so you can go like, not that bright, you want a little soft lighting, but you want boom, 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 ah! So yeah, that's really fucking cool. But we'll say it kind of has a somewhat short battery life, but and they're on a budget here, but just charge that bitch. Not only that, but it gives you really, really good soft lighting. And when you start looking at lighting and how to make your lighting look better, you're gonna run to the term that's used called soft lighting. And this is perfect for that because it's not like a super fucking bright ring light. It only has like 2 settings. It's like a nice panel that you can even put some sheets over it if you even want to get more soft lighting. But yeah, and guess what? You can also put this on the camera stand we bought. See, look at that. It's all coming together. Because this does not come with a stand. We get this camera stand. We get the lighting. Now what are we missing? Duh, YouTuber pack. Green screen. Maybe like, Miles, I don't want to have this big fucking I don't want to have this big fucking like reinforced siege wall green screen I have to put up every time I want to do some shit, and I don't have space for it. Too expensive, alright? Too pricey. Don't worry, I got you. What you're gonna want to pick up is this thing. It's literally a green screen, but it's like a green sheet, which I was like, oh my god, I need one of those. What if it exists? Well, it exists. I'll put up what it looks like on the screen. Boom. It's only like 10 bucks or something like that. But yeah, I will say you need tape if you want to tape it to the wall. But other than that, it works really fucking well. But yeah, if you're on the go or you switch houses like me and you just need a quick option to do green screen stuff, then I'd recommend picking up the green screen sheet, even if you don't, or even if you already have a green screen. Alright, I don't know how long this video is. It's probably pretty short. I haven't been recording for very long. But let's rapid fire some stuff now, shall we? Boom! This is my camera. It's called the... what the fuck? It's called a Razer Keo Pro or something like that. Now this thing is really, really, really good. Really good quality. And the cool thing about this is that it has a thing at the bottom which also attaches to the camera stand. It's so coming together. I might be like, man, how's the quality? Look, man, I'm just here to give you the item recommendations. If you want to go more in depth, you have a link You have the name of it. Go research it on your own. But if you want to know the quality really quickly, go watch some of my videos where I have that shit set up, and you'll see if it's good or not. All right, I don't know what to tell you. All right, we pretty much have a complete setup except for the microphone. And the microphone I use is the, you guessed it, the Fafine. Oh shit, the Fafine microphone. There's a lot of different Fafines out there. They're all pretty good, but the one I have is the one called on screen. Boom, right there. The link is in the description. Y'all know this already. Y'all know this. My friend Chris actually recommended this to me, and he uses the same mic. I was like, wow, that mic's fucking good. And he was like, I know, right? You should pick it up. I'm like, bet. And guess what? It's only like $70, which in terms of mics is pretty good, because your usual first thought's like, I'll get a Blue Yeti. Don't get that shit. Get this shit. This shit's cheaper, I think, and better, I think. And it already does come with a stand, but if you want that YouTuber feel, like me, I'm a loser. You're gonna want to pick up this boom. Hold on, let me put this in. You're gonna want to pick up this boom arm mic thing. To be honest with you, I don't remember what the name of this is. I'm gonna try to put it up on screen if I can find it, but I don't remember that shit. Just look up the compatibility, the microphone with the thing stand, and it'll make weird noises like that, but hopefully it works. But yeah, man, that was some budget options for starting out equipment that I had to all research myself and find myself, so you're welcome. But yeah, man, if you enjoyed this vlog style thing, let me know, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.
Hey, nigga, we can't lie now. All my niggas up, we got a bag now. Yeah, call my whole shit, nigga, I call my tag. Hey, nigga been getting money, nigga been hair action. Hey, nigga, we been getting money, little nigga like last year.